Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will explore the new User Grid Dynamic Interactions feature. This feature allows users to interact with related data seamlessly within the same screen. It eliminates the need for page navigation, reduces clicks, and enhances overall user experience. Let's get started. Click on the gear icon. Then click Edit Page. Ensure that dynamic interactions are enabled in the user grid. In the Component Explorer, search for GM Dynamic Field Set Grid. Drag and drop it onto the main page. Next, set the related object name to Opportunity Line Item. For the field set name, set the appropriate field set. For the parent object name, set Opportunity. Then, set the parent grid name to your user grid's name and do the same for the parent grid code. Click Save, then hit Back. Now, let's create a filter to see only the related records when clicking on a special record. Set the filter to Opportunity ID equals Current Record ID. Then go back to the Lightning App Builder. Scroll down to the Filter section. Paste the configuration. And customize the label to Opportunity Products. Click Save and Back again. And that's it. We have successfully configured User Grid Dynamic Interactions. You can view only the opportunity products associated with the specific record you select. You can perform all the actions here, for example inline editing. After finishing all updates, click Save. And that's it. Thank you for watching.